All right, welcome back. It's Alan Simpson. Now, once you're happy with what you have in your timeline, that is, you got all your video in there and any pictures and you got any titles and narration, whatever you want in there, whatever you see when you play that, that's what's going to become your final movie. So whatever you want in your final movie is what you make happen along the timeline there. And when you're ready to create your movie, you click Share. And then for most things, it'll be local file because you want to create an MP4 file that you upload to an online school or YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter, wherever you're uploading it. And then on this drop down, you can choose how you want to do it. Now, there's a lot of options. If you really don't know a lot about it, you can probably just start out by limiting yourself to MP4 only with 720p and MP4 only 1080p. Now, most likely for the internet, you're going to go with 720p, but you can actually make one of each so long as you give them different file names and try it out. 1080p would be ideal if you're going to present it in a room full of people with no internet involved and it was going to be on a huge screen. That can be a little much for the internet. So for the internet, you would probably go with MP4 only 720p. Okay, and then you'll see a little written description about it, but don't worry about it if you're not really into this technical video stuff. Just click Next, and now you can say what file name you want to give it. I usually go with the lesson number or something like that. This isn't a real lesson, so I'll call it OX lesson, but it might in real life be O1 lesson, O2, and so forth. And now as far as where to put it, I would probably put it in with all the rest of the files that make up that one lesson, but since this is kind of a fake, I'll just stick it out on the desktop. Now this organized produced files into subfolders. For some file types that makes sense because they produce several files, but for MP4 only, you're only going to get one file, an MP4 file. So whether or not you put it in a subfolder is entirely up to you. I usually don't select that. This show production results, if you select it, it just throws up a dialog box when the movie's been fully produced, telling you some facts about the video, which is fine. I actually usually do that. And then play video after production will just play it automatically. I usually don't do that. But these things really don't affect the overall quality or appearance of the movie. So just choose whatever's convenient for you. Okay, then just click Finish and wait. Now yours probably won't go quite this fast. I had to speed it up so you wouldn't have to sit around and wait. But when it's done, you will get the production results thing, and it just has some facts about the video, nothing to be concerned about. And then you can click Finish, and at that point you can actually close Camtasia, save your work if you haven't already done so. And then the MP4 file will be an icon, and you can double click it to play it, or you can upload it to whatever school you're teaching for, to YouTube or Facebook or Twitter, wherever. I mean, it's pretty universal. Okay, so that's your finished product, so you're basically done with one lesson at this point. Now, coming over the next lesson in this course, and we'll wrap up what you've learned and talk about other resources you can explore to reinforce what you've learned here and expand on what you've learned here. All right, I'll see you over there.